Outstanding design defines the 2020 Kia Sorento. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Kia prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a tachometer, heated door mirrors, blind spot sensor, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.